Did you know that leg cramps affect a significant portion of the senior population, often disrupting sleep and impacting daily mobility? These painful muscle spasms aren't just an inconvenience. They can signal underlying nutritional deficiencies and health concerns. Let's delve into the science behind leg cramps and explore 3 powerhouse foods that can significantly reduce their frequency and severity in seniors. The primary cause of leg cramps often stems from muscle fatigue and imbalances in crucial electrolytes. Electrolytes, including potassium, magnesium, and calcium, are electrically charged minerals that play a vital role in muscle contraction and relaxation. When these electrolytes are out of balance, or when muscles are depleted of essential nutrients, they become overly excitable, leading to involuntary contractions. The dreaded leg cramp. Age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, also contributes to this problem, making older adults more susceptible. Our first champion food, eggs. Often overlooked, eggs are nutritional dynamos. They are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need but can't produce on their own. This is crucial for muscle repair and maintenance, combating the effects of sarcopenia. Each large egg provides roughly grams of high-quality protein, directly contributing to stronger, less fatigue-prone muscles. This protein boost translates to improved muscle function, reducing the likelihood of cramps. Beyond protein, eggs are a valuable source of vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption, which is critical for proper muscle contraction. Many seniors experience vitamin D deficiency, often due to reduced sun exposure. This deficiency can lead to muscle weakness, cramps, and even chronic pain. While sunlight is the ideal source of vitamin D, eggs offer a convenient dietary supplement, contributing to maintaining optimal levels and reducing cramp risk. However, it's important to note that eggs alone may not provide sufficient vitamin D. A single egg contains about IU of vitamin D, while the recommended daily intake for seniors is IU. Therefore, combining egg consumption with fortified dairy products, fatty fish, or a vitamin D supplement may be necessary to achieve adequate levels. Eggs also provide vitamin B, a nutrient vital for nerve function. Vitamin B deficiency, common among seniors due to factors like reduced stomach acid production and certain medications, can disrupt nerve signals, triggering muscle spasms, tingling, and cramps. Eggs offer a readily digestible and easily incorporated source of B, bolstering nerve health and preventing cramps related to nerve dysfunction. They also contain choline, which aids in protecting the myelin sheath, a crucial component of nerve insulation, ensuring smooth communication between nerves and muscles. Now, let's talk about bananas. These seemingly simple fruits are potassium powerhouses. Potassium is essential for muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and fluid balance. Hypokalemia, or low potassium, is a major contributor to muscle cramps. A medium banana contains approximately mg of potassium, contributing significantly to daily requirements. Maintaining adequate potassium levels helps regulate muscle contractions, preventing spasms and ensuring smooth muscle function. Bananas also offer magnesium, another critical mineral for muscle relaxation and nerve function. Magnesium helps reduce muscle excitability, preventing sudden cramps, supports ATP production, energy for muscle contractions, and regulates calcium and potassium balance. Additionally, bananas provide vitamin B, which is essential for nerve health and muscle recovery. Low vitamin B levels can lead to increased muscle cramps and spasms due to nerve dysfunction, increased inflammation, and reduced energy production. Finally, we have nuts and seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats, all vital for muscle health. A small handful of almonds, pumpkin seeds, cashews, or pistachios provides a significant boost of magnesium and potassium, helping to restore depleted electrolytes lost through sweat, particularly relevant after physical activity. The healthy fats in nuts and seeds also contribute to reducing muscle inflammation, while the protein supports muscle repair. Moreover, the healthy fats in nuts and seeds contribute to improved blood circulation, ensuring muscles receive sufficient oxygen and nutrients. These nuts and seeds also offer vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radical damage contributes to inflammation and muscle weakness, increasing the risk of cramps. Vitamin E helps combat this oxidative stress, supporting healthy muscle function and reducing cramp susceptibility. Ready to learn more about how antioxidants can improve your leg health? Like this video and subscribe for more senior health tips. Let's consider the interplay between these foods and hydration. Even with a diet rich in potassium, magnesium, and other crucial electrolytes, dehydration can significantly increase your risk of leg cramps. Water is essential for electrolyte balance, muscle function, and overall well-being. When you're dehydrated, your muscles are more likely to contract involuntarily, leading to painful spasms. So, While these three powerhouse foods are incredibly beneficial, remember to maintain adequate fluid intake throughout the day. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water, and consider incorporating electrolyte-rich drinks, such as coconut water, to further support muscle health. Want more expert tips on senior leg health? Like, comment, and subscribe for more vital information. You won't want to miss our next video. It's also important to understand that individual needs vary. What works perfectly for one senior might not be as effective for another. Factors such as overall health, activity levels, and existing medical conditions influence how well the body absorbs and utilizes these nutrients. For instance, seniors with kidney disease may need to adjust their protein intake, including egg consumption, consulting their doctor for personalized guidance. Those with diabetes should carefully manage their intake of bananas and other sugary foods, incorporating them strategically alongside fiber-rich options. And while moderate egg consumption is generally safe, individuals with high cholesterol should discuss their dietary choices with their physician. Furthermore, remember that diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Regular, gentle exercise, tailored to your fitness level, strengthens muscles, improves circulation, and enhances overall health. Stretching before and after activity is also crucial for maintaining muscle flexibility and preventing cramps. Consulting a physical therapist can help develop a personalized exercise plan that suits your individual needs and capabilities. Beyond diet and exercise, certain medications can affect electrolyte balance and increase the risk of leg cramps. Diuretics, for example, often prescribed for high blood pressure, can deplete potassium levels if you're on medication. Discuss potential side effects and nutritional adjustments with your doctor or pharmacist. They can provide valuable insights into how to manage medication-related cramp risks, ensuring your overall well-being. Understanding the potential interactions between your medications and diet is crucial for holistic health management. Finally, it's beneficial to keep a food diary to track your intake of these cramp-fighting foods and observe their effect on your leg health. By noting down your daily consumption of eggs, bananas, and nuts/seeds, along with any instances of leg cramps, you can gain a better understanding of your body's responses and potentially fine-tune your diet for optimal results. This self-monitoring can provide valuable data and empower you to make informed choices in managing your leg health. This detailed self-monitoring allows for personalized adjustments, enhancing the effectiveness of your dietary approach to cramp prevention. For example, if you notice cramps consistently after a day with low nut and seed intake, you can easily increase your consumption accordingly. This proactive approach empowers you to take control of your leg health and experience noticeable improvements. Ready to take a more active role in managing your leg health? Liking this video and subscribing will ensure you don't miss our next video on building stronger leg muscles. Let's not forget the role of sleep in preventing leg cramps. Insufficient sleep can disrupt the body's natural restorative processes, including muscle repair and electrolyte balance. Aim for hours of quality sleep each night. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine can significantly improve your sleep quality and reduce your risk of nocturnal leg cramps. Want to delve deeper into sleep hygiene for seniors? We've got a video coming up on that topic. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Furthermore, consider the impact of stress on muscle tension. Chronic stress can lead to muscle tightness and increased susceptibility to cramps. Incorporating stress-reducing activities into your daily routine, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature, can promote relaxation and reduce muscle tension. These practices complement the dietary and exercise strategies we've discussed, creating a holistic approach to cramp prevention. Interested in learning more relaxation techniques? We'll be sharing some simple yet effective strategies in upcoming videos. Hit that subscribe button now. Finally, it is crucial to remember that while these foods offer significant benefits, they shouldn't replace professional medical advice. If you experience persistent or severe leg cramps, it's essential to consult your doctor. They can conduct a thorough assessment, rule out any underlying medical conditions contributing to your cramps, and offer personalized recommendations. This is particularly important if you're on medication or have pre-existing health concerns. For comprehensive guidance on managing your leg health, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth insights, expert interviews, and practical tips to empower you to live a healthier, more active life, free from debilitating leg cramps. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community of healthy seniors. Let's explore the first of these power foods. Eggs. Among the many nutrient-rich foods that support muscle health, eggs stand out as a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. But how exactly do eggs help with leg cramps in older adults? Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. This is crucial for muscle repair and maintenance. Older adults often experience age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia, Increasing susceptibility to cramps and weakness. The high-quality protein in eggs helps rebuild muscle fibers and reduce muscle fatigue, improving the efficiency of muscle contractions and thus reducing cramp frequency. Want to know more about the specific amino acids that benefit muscle health in seniors? We'll cover that in an upcoming video. Be sure you're subscribed. Beyond protein, eggs are rich in vitamin D, critical for calcium absorption and muscle function. Insufficient vitamin D can lead to muscle weakness, cramps, and even chronic pain. Studies show that seniors with vitamin D deficiency experience more frequent and severe leg cramps. Egg yolks naturally contain vitamin D, supporting bone and muscle health. While sun exposure is the best way to produce vitamin D, many older adults spend less time outdoors, making dietary sources crucial. While eggs contribute to vitamin D intake, combining them with other sources, such as fortified dairy products or fatty fish like salmon and sardines, ensures optimal muscle and bone health, further reducing cramp episodes. Are you curious about alternative vitamin D sources and their bioavailability? We'll explore that in a future video. Hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated. Eggs also provide vitamin B, directly impacting nerve function. Low B levels impair nerve signals, leading to muscle spasms, tingling, and cramps. Eggs help protect nerve health by supplying both B and choline, which work together to support nerve insulation, myelin sheath protection. This improves communication between muscles and nerves, ensuring smooth contraction and relaxation, preventing neuropathy-related cramps common in diabetics and seniors. Regular egg consumption supports nerve integrity, reducing the misfiring of signals that trigger muscle cramps. Older adults are more prone to muscle cramps if they have low B levels. This is due to several factors such as reduced stomach acid production, common medications, lower intake of animal products, and more. Learning more about these factors and how to overcome them is key to leg cramp prevention. Stay tuned for our next video, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. Now, let's move on to bananas. Potassium is an essential mineral for muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and fluid balance. When potassium levels drop too low, hypokalemia, muscles become more prone to spasms and cramps. Bananas are a top natural source of potassium. Maintaining adequate potassium levels helps regulate muscle contractions, preventing spasms, ensuring smooth nerve communication for muscle control, and balancing fluid levels to reduce dehydration-related cramps. Eating 1 to 2 bananas daily can significantly reduce the frequency of muscle cramps in seniors. Understanding the consequences of low potassium levels, like interrupted nerve signals and impaired fluid balance, is crucial. We'll dive deeper into electrolyte imbalances and their impact on muscle health in a future video. Like this video to show your support and ensure you receive a notification when that video goes live. Bananas also provide magnesium, another mineral crucial for muscle relaxation and nerve function. Magnesium helps reduce muscle excitability, preventing sudden cramps, supports ADP production, energy for muscle contractions, and regulates calcium and potassium balance, essential for proper muscle function. Each banana contributes to preventing muscle tension and spasms. Since many older adults don't consume enough magnesium, eating bananas along with other magnesium-rich foods like nuts and leafy greens can further reduce muscle cramps and improve recovery. Nighttime leg cramps are often linked to electrolyte imbalances, low potassium and magnesium, poor circulation and dehydration. Bananas, with their potassium, magnesium and hydrating carbohydrates, can help relax muscles, balance electrolytes and support sleep quality, reducing nighttime spasms. Want to learn more effective strategies for improving your sleep? Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and insights. Finally, let's discuss nuts and seeds. While potassium and magnesium-rich foods like bananas and leafy greens are well-known cramp preventers, nuts and seeds are another powerful dietary addition for improving muscle health and preventing cramps. Packed with magnesium, potassium, protein and healthy fats, they aid muscle relaxation, circulation, and electrolyte balance. Many older adults don't get enough magnesium, making them more susceptible to frequent and painful leg cramps. Nuts and seeds are some of the best natural sources of magnesium, providing an easy way to prevent cramps. They also offer potassium, crucial for preventing muscle excitability. Electrolytes like magnesium and potassium are lost through sweat. Replenishing them is essential for muscle recovery and cramp prevention. Healthy fats in nuts and seeds reduce muscle inflammation, while the protein helps with muscle repair. For seniors who experience cramps after physical activity, eating a handful of nuts or adding seeds to meals can help restore lost minerals and maintain healthy muscles. The healthy fats in nuts and seeds improve blood flow, ensuring muscles receive sufficient oxygen and nutrients to function properly. This is especially important for preventing cramps caused by poor circulation. Want to know more about the specific types of healthy fats and their roles in muscle health? Like and subscribe for more detailed information on this topic in our upcoming videos. So, there you have it, 3 powerhouse foods to help combat leg cramps in older adults. Eggs, bananas, and nuts and seeds. We've explored how eggs, packed with protein, vitamin D and B vitamins, support muscle repair, nerve function and calcium absorption, all crucial for preventing cramps. Bananas, rich in potassium and magnesium, help regulate muscle contractions, balance electrolytes and improve hydration, key factors in reducing nighttime leg spasms. Finally, nuts and seeds offer a potent combination of magnesium, potassium, protein and healthy fats, improving circulation, reducing inflammation and aiding muscle recovery. Remember, these foods work best when combined with a balanced diet and sufficient hydration. Many older adults face nutritional deficiencies that make them more susceptible to leg cramps. So including these foods in your diet is a proactive step towards improved leg health and better quality of life. We've only scratched the surface though. There's much more to discover about the intricate relationship between nutrition and leg cramp prevention. Ready to learn more about preventing leg cramps? Like this video and subscribe for more senior health tips. Want more expert tips on senior leg health? Like, comment, and subscribe for more vital information. You won't want to miss our next video. Don't let leg cramps steal your sleep or limit your mobility. Take control of your leg health starting today.